demonstration of Freeance Mobile ability to use GIS maps and inspection forms out in the field. This is for source gas. This is a example of a exposed natural gas pipeline inspection, and we're going to bring up a inspection form. One of the first things we're going to do in this inspection form that writes right to our enterprise database is get a GPS location. We'll go with the Freeance Mobile High Accuracy GPS, and this is indoors. It's showing us our GPS accuracy reading, and it'll try to gather a more correct, accurate location as we fill out the rest of the form. But some of this form is type in, some of this form is automatic, meaning legal description, address, so forth. Well, let's just import that from our GPS location so we can find information from our GIS and automatically populate fields. We don't have to figure out what our street address is, township, section, range. More fields to fill out. Of course, we have domain pull downs, meaning these are tables in your SDE or your database that are domain pull downs. We've got another auto import here, and that previous import was bringing information in from street addressing, but I want to bring in information from the closest main, nearest gas main, because that's what I'm doing an inspection on. It sorts them by order of closest. I'll grab that one, import it, and it'll import fields from the main GIS, gas main GIS layer. These fields weren't filled in because they weren't populated in the GIS data. We also have expanding fields here like geographic data. Well, let me go in and show those fields for geographic data, and I want to come in and say this is sand, and the land use is wooded, and the topo is rolling, so forth. So I can fill out fields to make the form a little easier. I can expand or contract groups of fields, cathodic protection. It's available, so let's expand those fields, and once again it's just pull downs, domains. We can of course take as many photos as we like. Let's just grab one here at the desk. There's a quick photo. We have go ahead and accept it. We can have multiple photos if we'd like, and they're all stored right to the enterprise database. So there we go. We'll go ahead and save that form. That works offline, online. I mentioned also we have the ability to see a map. Well, here's our map of our data. Let's zoom to our current GPS location. This is our gas distribution maps. So there's our current location. Let me zoom in a little. We'll see if we can find the report that we just made, since we just mapped it and it was our GPS location. So let's come in here and go ahead and identify this inspection. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be the one we made. The last inspection there. There it is, inspected by CJB with our timestamp. We can go ahead and edit that if we'd like to. It's in that same form. Go ahead and look at we can delete it. We can even edit and move that feature if we'd like to, where it's located on the map. Let's go ahead and turn off our GPS location here. Let's come in and zoom to our home map. We can also do searches on our map. We can come in here and let's search on a report, the address is going to be, I think we got a, let's see, I know this, I created a report at location CR13. There it is. Let's bring up, that's the one we want. Let's go ahead and zoom to it. So ability to create custom reports, see the mapping, turn on different layers, aerial photos, zoom to my GPS location, all Freeance mobile, working on smartphones, Androids, iPhones, tablets, iPads,